Okay, so we're going to pick up with rational inequalities. What's the first thing I'm going to do with this problem? Factor. And when I factor, I get x plus 8, x minus 4. Okay, so I need to know my vertical asymptote, and I need to know my zeros. So what is my vertical asymptote? My vertical asymptote is 6. Okay, so VA is 6. And my zeros, or my solutions, come from this. What are they? Negative 8 and 4. I quickly make a number line with those numbers. So we have negative 8, 4, and 6. And I'm going to make a sign chart. So I need a number smaller than negative 8. Negative 9. Okay, so if I plug in negative 9, this becomes, that's a negative. That's a negative. Negative 9 minus 4 is a negative. And negative 9 minus 6 is a negative. I have an odd number of negatives, therefore my answer is negative. Okay, a number between negative 8 and 4. Let's pick easy number. 0. Great. 0 plus 8 is positive. 0 minus 4 is negative. 0 minus 6 is negative. I have an even number of negatives, therefore it is positive. A number between 4 and 6, 5. All right, 5 plus 8 is positive. 5 minus 4 is positive. 5 minus 6 is negative. Therefore, my answer is negative. A number bigger than 6, 7. Great. So if I choose 7, I get 7 plus 8, positive. 7 minus 4, positive. 7 minus 6, positive. 4, positive. It is greater than 0. So who do I want? My positives. So there's a positive. There's a positive. So I want from negative 8 to 4 and from what to what? 6 to infinity. Good? Questions? Yes, sir. Generally, yes, but I don't want you to fall in that habit because it changes, like if there's cubes and different things like that, so don't always assume. It's good to test. We good? All right. New notes. You can add this to your warm-up. Looking at this problem, what is different? It's not 0. Why does a sign chart work? Why does a sign chart work? It works when it's 0 because it gives me positives and negatives. So can I make this 0? Can I make this 0? Yes. If I rewrite it to say x plus 8 over x minus 6 minus 2 is greater than 0. Now, does that work? Yes. But I need a what? Common denominator. So this becomes x plus 8 over x minus 6 minus 2 times x minus 6 over x minus 6. Good? All right. Which gives me x plus 8 minus 2x plus 12 over x minus 6. Because the denominators match, I can combine both of my numerators, correct? Okay. So x minus 2x is negative x plus 20 over x minus 6. What's my vertical asymptote? 6. And my zeros is a little bit tricky. Let's show the work because it's a negative x. So negative x plus 20 equals 0. Negative x equals negative 20. Therefore, x equals 20. So my solution part is 20. Now what do I need to do? I need to make a sign chart, okay? What are the two values my sign chart has to have? 6 and 20. Okay, give me a number less than 6. Easy, easy. Easy, easy. 0. When I say easy, easy, it's always 0. Making life easy. Okay, so if I plug in 0, all right, so 0 plus 20 is positive. 0 minus 6 is a negative, so the answer is negative. Give me a number between 6 and 20. 7. Okay. So negative 7 plus 20 is positive, and 7 minus 6 is positive. So a positive over a positive is a positive, a number bigger than 20. 21. All right. Negative 21 plus 20 is negative, and 21 minus 6 is positive. I have an odd number of negatives, so it is negative. Negative. So it wants, let's go back, it wants greater than. So I only want the positive, so it's going to be from where to where? 6 to 20. Was that harder? No, it just had the one extra step. You need to set it equal to 0. You need a common denominator. Done. It's the same process. Good? Okay, so the original problem said greater than. So is greater than positive numbers or negative numbers? Positive. That's why I chose the positive neighborhood, which is between 6 and 20. Okay? And these are rounded. These are rounded because it was not equal to. And be careful on equal to's. If it is a vertical asymptote, it can't be a square bracket. Okay? Good? All right. That is final topic.